Hi guys. Today is Thursday, June 11, 2026. And as you know, sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nag-vlog. It took me so many weeks to be back again. And that's small stuff alright for me. Don't know the reason, but I feel less motivated now to do vlog. But I need to remind myself I should keep going. No, it's been hard, but I will do it anyway. So yun, I hope na mag-continue ako to do vlogging. Cause we don't know what will happen someday. Diba? Just want to see what my future would looks like. Better if I do this now kasi mag-regret ako. And by the way, my agenda for today is lalabas ako mag-grocery mamaya. And then, I don't know if I will do my laundry. But I'm thinking, actually, lumabas na ako kanina. May nasikaso ako. May dinala ako sa galat. And I decided na be back here. So, kumika dinantok pa ako. Actually, talaga. But, I need to be eager. So, nag-film ako. Miss ko kayo eh. Yun lang. I'll update you later. Okay. Sana si Pagod mo. Di na ako tamatin. Sana hindi ako mahiyang mag-film talaga. Yun lang. So, hi guys. Good morning. So, diba sabi ko kahapon, mag-grocery ako. Pero, hindi ako nakapag-grocery kasi walang ATM machine. Okay. And, lahat sila sarado. Talaga, umuwi akong basang-basa kahapon kasi paglabas ko, pumatak ang ulan. Like, legit, basang-basa ako. I'm not feeling well ngayon. Sakit na lalamunan ko. But try pa din natin. Tingnan kung okay na ba yung mga ATM machine. If ever na okay na, sana makapag-grocery ako. So hi guys, I am currently on my bed right now. It's currently 6:30 p.m. na. And kanina pa ako nakahiga, like 3 like 3 p.m. kasi I'm not feeling well. My throat is been kasi I think magkakaroon ako ng sipon and dugodan just like my brother. And it's not good. Also, it's my first day of my period. And usually, if I have a period, sobrang tamad ka talagang gumalaw. And it's not good actually. So, I don't know if I will be going to do pa or makakapagsulat pa ba ako, but I think hindi na. I'm gonna rest na din. But I'm gonna cook pa ng ulam. I think we will be having an ampalaya and a fried chicken for a dinner. And I don't think I can to vlog while doing that. Sana hindi talaga tumuloy tong pananakit or yung pagkakaroon ko ng sipon na tubo kasi it's not a good thing. Ay, nag-try naman ako or uminom talaga ako ng kalamansi kanina nung pumunta ka ng palengke. Bumili ako ng kalamansi and then I made it orange without any sugar, just kalamansi piniga ko and then nilagyan ko ng water to be plain it. Like, dun parang I think naka 2 glass ako nun. And sana, effect siya. Effect. Sana talaga. Just get out on that. Kakaligo ko lang actually. And I have a problem now. Nag-makeup ako. Look at my eyes. O, diba? Yung mascara. Diba nung yung mata ko, nilagyan ko ng mascara. Ayaw na yung pagod na siya. Literally. Ay, nako. Alright. Okay lang. Bahay lang naman ako. Ito. Maulan na naman. And I wanted to try something. Alright. It is so random, but I just wanna share na sometimes. I don't know kung dahil ba sa nasa adultinghood na ako or like kaya kong tumagal ng isang araw nang hindi lumalabas. Oh my God, kahit for 2 days or 3 days nasa loob lang ako ng bahay. And if wala akong sadya, kaya ko talagang tumagal sa loob ng bahay. To know what commonly or I usually do kapag nasa bahay ako. Nakahiga, tulog ako all day. I don't know if katamaran ba yun, but then it's a random fact about me. I guess I'm a homebody. Just feel safe, contented kapag nasa loob lang ako ng bahay. I don't know why, but that's how I am living my life right now. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, most of my days talaga nasa bahay lang ako and di talaga or bihira lang talaga ako lumabas. Kung mapapansin niyo yun sa mga vlogs, sa mga videos or previous videos ko and incoming videos ko pa kasi madami nag-aaya sa akin na gumala. But then, I don't know, tinatamad ako and I don't feel like I wanted to come with them. I know, gusto ko mag-banding, but then, there's something in me na it's so random. Yun lang naman. Just wanna share that. Hi guys, just wanna recommend something. I watch Pride and Prejudice and I never expected that to be so good. Like literally good. Kasi I am more on a chick flicks movies. Twenties movies. I really love twenties. Especially if it is rom-com movies. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but I like the genre and the way how they act. And basta maganda kapag 20s movies talaga. I love that. I'm addicted to it actually. And I never thought out of league kasi siya for me kasi hindi siya pasok sa chick flicks movies na usually pinapanood ko. But then I tried kagabi. I never expected it to be so good. Like, slow burn trope siya. Oh my God. Like, it's good. I love everything about that movie. And I highly recommend to you guys. You should watch it. That's worth it. Yun lang. First and foremost, I wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video and I would like to apologize for editing this video. I realized na I am not very good at speaking in front of camera. Pasensya, guys. ako pa din kasi sa akin ito. Those grammatical errors na nabanggit ko habang nagsasalita sa harap ng camera, I hope you understand. Pasensya na din, but I know that the day will come, surely, na mag-i-improve ako habang nangyayari. Pasensya na guys. And the background noise na narinig nyo tulad ng wala ako ng manok. Pasensya na po sa daming manok dito sa amin. Sabi na hindi lang siya isa, madami talaga kasi binilang ko siya 11 ata siya. So, pasensya na. And I hope na this will be the very beginning of me taking seriously when it comes to vlog. I hope you guys to support, follow, and subscribe. Ay, sana hindi ako pakinaan mo. But I need a lot of motivation to do so. Thank you guys. And follow and subscribe. Okay, love you so much, mama.